Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar rose 0.6% against the yen in the last trading session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair gained 2.8% in the last session after rising as much as 4% during the session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold dollar pair plummeted 1.8% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The oil dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Stocks mostly fell on Wall Street in afternoon trading as investors weighed the latest economic reports showing that unemployment is falling, but labor costs are rising. The U.S. arm of the cryptocurrency exchange Occoin has integrated with Ethereum Layer 2 scaling project Polygon to allow users to directly access the DeFi ecosystem without using an Ethereum wallet. The U.S. dollar rose in anticipation of a batch of U.S. economic data that could set the tone at central bank meetings later this month.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. non-farm payrolls will be released at 12:30 GMT, the U.S. average hourly earnings at 12:30 GMT, the Eurozone's retail sales at 900 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT, the UK's market construction PMI at 8:30 GMT, the UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.